Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to replace an air filter on a 2011 Subaru Legacy 3.6. First, remove the two clips on top of the airbox. Next, with a flathead screwdriver, loosen the hose clamp. Once you loosen the hose clamp, remove the hose on the side of the airbox closest to the engine. Next, unplug the mass airflow sensor located on top of the airbox. Once you unplug the mass airflow sensor, lift up and parts of the airbox should come apart. Now, pay attention on how you remove the old air filter. We will be replacing the old air filter with a new STP SA9997. Before installing the new air filter, make sure you remove all the debris from inside the airbox. This way the debris is not pulled back into the new air filter you had just installed. Now, let's install the new air filter the same way we found the old air filter back into the airbox. Now that the new air filter is installed, let's reinstall the part of the airbox that was removed. Again, make sure that the prongs on the bottom of the one airbox is installed correctly to the airbox that is holding the air filter. Now, install the hose to the airbox. Make sure to connect the mass airflow sensor back to the airbox. Now that the airbox is back in place, secure the two clips on top of the airbox. Finally, the last step is to make sure you secure the hose clamp correctly with a flathead screwdriver. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and comment below. I'd like to know how you guys made out replacing the air filter. Thanks.